Hello, hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. The Facebook is starting the error problem. The Facebook error problem, something with wrong. Please try to again, and the profile logging error problem. Button is solve the issue and step by step the problem. The solution update now. Problem the solution three method the apply the problems. And first of all, the internet connection the checking and internet speed the checking. The first word two step. The first of all, the open the play store the search Facebook, the updated beta version and the updated now. First of all, latest updated completed the solutions complete update applications completed, and press the application, the app information the selected. First of all, permission allow, selected permission all, permission allow, phone, microphone, location, file and manager, and content, camera and call logos. And first of all, the application open now and problem solution update now. Thank for watching this video.